In 5 years, 96,000 po. In 10 years, 192,000. Question, marami bang Starbucks dyan sa tabi? Dumadami ba sila? Grabe na. Dumadami, hindi lang Starbucks. Okay? In 20 years, 384,000. Ilan sa inyo dito yung mga nasa 20s? Okay? Raise your hand. Okay? Biro mo, by the time you reach 40, you would have spent 384,000 on coffee lang. In 30 years, almost 500,000. Okay? At kung meron kang kadate, 1,000,000 na po yun. Siyempre, di ba? Hindi lang naman ikaw magkakape. 1.1 million. Okay? So if you look at that compounding, di ba? Mapapaisip ka. That's how you can save money. That's how, imbis na gastusin mo dyan, di ipasok mo na sa savings, sa investment. Okay? Sa sigarilyo or vape. Okay? 60 pesos ang isang pakete. Sa isang buwan, 20,000, 1,600 sa isang buwan. Sa isang taon, 20,000 pesos sa sigarilyo. And I hope dito, I know there are still some Christians who smoke, pero tigilan na po natin yan. Okay? So in other words, stop spending more than what you make. That's how you will save. Start earning more than what you spend. Mahirap ba? Simple lang, di ba? Pero mahirap gawin. Do you agree with this statement? How many of you agree? Live within your income. How many of you agree? How many of you agree? Raise your hand. Higher, higher. Mali. Mali po kayo. Mali po yung live within your income. Dapat live below your income. Okay. Ayan. Live below your income. Kasi kung within, may masasave ba kayo? Wala eh. Di ba? Break even lang kayo kung within your income. But if you live below your income, you will start savings. Di ba?